Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to solve some examples on variable separable form. So without wasting our time, let us move to the whiteboard. Examples on variable separable forms. Solve e raised to y plus 1 into cos x into dx plus e raised to y sin x into dy is equal to 0. So to solve this, rewrite the given equation as. So try to separate the variables. Try to separate the variables means collect the term containing x and dx on one side and y and dy on the other side. So for this, I will transpose this second term to the right hand side. What you will get? That is e raised to y plus 1 into cos x into dx plus is equal to, transpose the second term to the right hand side means you will get minus e raised to y sin x into dy. Now collect the terms containing x and dx on one side means transpose this term to the right hand side and this sin x to the left hand side. What we get? We get cos x divided by, transpose sin x to the left hand side means we get sin x into dx is equal to minus e raised to y divided by e raised to y plus 1 into dy. So this is nothing but the variables are separable. Left hand side we have x into dx term, right hand side we have y into dy term. That is, the term containing y is absent in left hand side and the term containing x is absent in right hand side, which is nothing but the variable separable form. Now integrating on both these sides. If you integrate on both these sides, what we get? Integration of cos x divided by sin x into dx is equal to minus integration of e raised to y divided by e raised to y plus 1 into dy. Now in this case, what is differentiation of this sin x? Differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. So differentiation of denominator is numerator means on integrating we can write it as logarithm of sin x is equal to minus, as it is, what is differentiation of e raised to y plus 1? Differentiation of denominator e raised to y plus 1 is e raised to y, which is numerator term. So on integrating we can write it as logarithm of denominator. Logarithm of e raised to y plus 1 plus you can take integrating constant log c. Now this term we can write it as logarithm of sin x is equal to logarithm of, so this is log u minus log v. Log u divided by v means log c divided by e raised to y plus 1. On both the sides log get cancels, so total we get sin x is equal to c divided by e raised to y plus 1 or sin x into e raised to y plus 1 is equal to c, which is the required solution. Now next example, solve dy by dx is equal to e raised to x minus y plus x square into e raised to minus y. So to solve this, first try to separate the term containing x and dx on one side, y and dy on the other side. For this I will write dy divided by dx is equal to, so this above equation we can also write it as e raised to x into e raised to minus y plus x square into e raised to minus y. Now you can take this e raised to minus y and e raised to minus y common. If we take e raised to minus y common, what we get? E raised to minus y is common. The remaining terms are e raised to x and plus x square, and left hand side we have dy divided by dx. Now transpose this dx to the right hand side and this e raised to minus y to the left hand side. What we get? That is, if we transpose e raised to minus y to the left hand side, we get e raised to y into dy is equal to transpose dx to the right hand side, so that we get e raised to x plus x square bracket complete dx. Now on integrating we get what we get here. If we integrate left hand side, I will write now directly. Integration of e raised to y is e raised to y is equal to, what is integration of e raised to x? E raised to x integration is e raised to x plus, what is integration of x square? Integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 plus we can take integrating constant c. So this is the required general solution. Now write down one more example. Solve x square minus yx bracket complete, this is y x square bracket complete dy divided by dx plus y square plus xy square is equal to 0. Now to solve this, first I will take common from first bracket. You can take x square common from first bracket, so I will write directly, that is x square is common. What are the remaining terms? 1 minus y into dy by dx plus, from second bracket we can write y square common. So if you take y square outside, we are left with 1 plus x, and that is equal to 0. If you transpose this term to the left hand side, or you can take LCM, so better I will transpose this term to the right hand side. What we get, that is x square into bracket 1 minus y into dy by dx is equal to minus y square into bracket 1 plus x. Now transpose this dx to the right hand side and this minus y square to the left hand side. Transpose this dx to the right hand side. So, and sorry, this x square also if you transpose to the right hand side, we will get 1 minus y into dy, and transpose y square divided by y square is equal to minus into bracket 1 plus x divided by x square into dx. So this is nothing but the terms containing x and dx on one side and y and dy on the other side. Now again transpose this right hand side term to the left hand side. We get 1 minus y divided by y square into dy plus 1 plus x divided by x square into dx is equal to 0. Now separate denominator for both the numerator terms. So the same term we can write it as 1 divided by y square minus y divided by y square bracket complete dy plus, here also you can write it as 1 divided by x square plus x divided by x square bracket complete dx is equal to 0. Now the same equation again we can write it as 1 divided by y square minus, here one of the y get cancels. If one of the y get cancels, we are left with only 1 by y bracket complete into dy plus, here you will get 1 divided by x square plus 1 of the x get cancels. So we are left with 1 by x bracket complete dx is equal to 0. Now on integrating we get, on integrating we get, so if you integrate what we get, so if you integrate, what is integration of this 1 divided by y square? 1 divided by y square, I will write here 1 divided by y square, we can also write it as y raised to minus 2. And what is integration of y raised to minus 2? Y raised to minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 and plus 1. And if you simplify, you will get y raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1, or this minus 1 as it is, y raised to minus 1 we can write it as 1 by y. So integration of 1 by y square is minus 1 divided by y minus, what is integration of this 1 divided by y? Integration of 1 by y is equal to log y. Integration of 1 by y is equal to log y plus, What is integration of 1 divided by x square? Integration of 1 by y square is minus 1 by y. So integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 divided by x. So that is minus 1 divided by x plus what is integration of 1 divided by x? The integration of 1 by x is equal to log x and integrating constant is c. So here I will write this log y minus log y and plus log x means log x minus log y. Log x minus log y, by using logarithmic property we can write it as log x divided by y. Write down the remaining terms. The remaining terms are minus 1 by x and minus 1 by y. If you take minus outside, we are left with 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to c. So this is the required solution.